All right, today we are reviewing another essential product you need to get for your new Tesla. We are talking all about the Lasfit custom floor mats for the Tesla Model Y. Let's get right into it. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I make content about tech, travel, and camera gear, and we are talking all about my 2023 Tesla Model Y. We have these brand new floor mats in from a company called Lasfit, and honestly, I didn't expect to like these floor mats as much. I'm not a huge fan of hyper rubberized all-weather floor mats, but honestly, these things look incredible, and they have been performing really, really well. So let's talk about what's in the package. These are the front row seat covers, the rear seat covers, as well as the cargo mats. And one of the things that I've immediately noticed pulling these out of the packaging is how high quality these all-weather floor mats are. Like I mentioned, I'm not a big fan of the hyper rubberized material, but this company does it pretty differently. And initially looking at this, the grooves look great. Everything, again, I think it says it in the name, is laser cut to perfection. And the fit and finish on this is very premium. For me, I personally like all of the perfect grooves and traction point cutouts. So this thing is not only great at funneling water and dirt and debris out of the way, but also allows for a great, comfortable ride. So let's take a look at the driver and the passenger side mats. Like I said, everything is laser cut and it fits really well into the seat themselves. And the second row is one singular piece, which is fantastic. So that means all of the mess that my kids make in the back seat, I can just package it all up and I can throw it out of the car, quickly hose this thing down and get it back in. Really quick and simple. And finally, probably my favorite piece is the trunk cargo area mat. This thing is massive. Again, a single piece, really nice, well cut out grooves and curves. I think it adds to the design aesthetic of this product as well, but super simple, very durable. You won't have any problem throwing in heavy objects, wood, dirt, debris, anything you need, especially if you're traveling for road trips. So let's talk about install. I think this is pretty straightforward. Install, you remove the original floor mats that come in a Tesla, which I think if anyone has played with those, they are not great. They are just kind of cheap carpet. They absorb everything, dirt, water, grime, and you don't want those to be your long-term option as floor mats. So we're just gonna remove all of those and replace them with the Lasfit floor mats. And what I wanna show you here is how perfectly these floor mats fit. It is really incredible. On the driver's side, it's perfectly spaced for under the pedals. You've got that footrest area in the top left corner. And what I really like about it is specifically around these corners. The Lasfit floor mats are so well cut that it perfectly fits into every single crevice and divot, which is really impressive. Same thing for the passenger side. Again, you can see here the really high quality grooves and cutouts. You've got the Lasfit logo, and then you can see that corner cutout. It fits absolutely perfect. And a couple things to call it, it's even got the cutouts for those two circular knobs on both the driver and the passenger side. So let's take it around to the back seat. Like I said, a single piece. Remove the old one. Make sure you slide up your passenger and your driver seat so you've got some space to install this. But again, this drops right into place, and because it is so custom fit and laser cut, it falls right in. I am really a big fan of the way that these grooves and these cutouts look. I think Lasfit did a great job of doing this. And again, these grooves look very functional to me. So if you were to spill something, all of the grooves lead to a channel down near the edges where the liquid or the dirt or whatever it is will pool, and it doesn't leave all of that slush and that grime in the center where your feet are. And finally, let's hop around to the back. Let's install this into the trunk. This is really nice. Again, like I said, one large piece. It goes right into the trunk. It fits perfectly into all of the different corners and recesses right into the right spaces. And it also allows for access to the bottom compartment. So it easily folds up when you need it to, and it comes right back down when you don't. Again, notice these grooves, they all head towards a singular direction. So again, if you spill something, all the grooves start to lead down towards a channel at the bottom of this cargo mat. So all the pooling happens in one place. And again, you've got these high lips to keep all of the liquid and the dirt inside until you pull it out and clean it off. So having installed this in my 5-seater, I gotta say I'm really happy with the quality of these Lasfit floor mats. They are far superior than some of the cheaper ones you'll find on Amazon and even some of the more well-established brands. The Lasfit cargo mats are probably some of my favorites. And right now the prices are pretty killer. You're getting a lot of value for what you're paying. I think this set for the first row, second row, and the cargo mat is only about $199. It's about 37% off. So this is definitely worth picking up if you have a 5-seater. They don't have a 7-seat model yet. I have a 7-seater as well, and I would love to replace my floor mats with a whole set from Lasfit, but right now I'm pretty happy with the ones that I have in my 7-seater, so these are perfect for the 5-seater. With that said, I would highly recommend checking Lasfit out. I will leave a discount code in the description below. I would definitely check these out, especially if you live in an area where you really need all-weather floor mats. The quality of this stuff was very surprising. I did not expect to like it as much, and I really love these. All right, and that is the review. If you guys enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe for more content just like this. I will catch y'all in the next one.